Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in computer science department, RPIIT Karnal. Today my topic is graph data structures. Graph data structures is a non-linear data structure consisting of vertices and edges. It is useful in fields such as social network analysis, recommendation systems, and computer networks. In the field of sports data science, graph data structures can be used to analyze and understand the dynamics of team performance and player interactions on the field. What are the components of the data structure? That are vertices and edges. So what are vertices? They are the fundamental units of the graph. Sometimes vertices also known as a vertex or nodes. And edges are drawn or used to connect the nodes like of the graph in order to pair the nodes. So these are the edges, like if 4 and 2, let's see, so these are the vertices, and the between line which is connecting this is the edge of between 4 and 2 vertices. Basic properties of graph. First one is vertices, that are nodes, the points where the edges meets in a graph known as vertices or nodes. The vertex can represent a physical object, concept, or abstract entity. Edges, the connections between the vertices are also known as edges. They can be undirected, that means bidirectional, or directed, unidirectional. So, next one is weight. The weight can assign to an edge representing the coast or the distance between the two vertices. The weight graph is a graph where the edges have weights. Degree. The degree of the vertex is the number of edges that connect to it. In a directed graph, the in degree of vertex is the number of edges that point to it, and the out degree is the number of edges that start from it. Path. A path is a sequence of vertices that are connected by edges. A simple path does not contain any repeated vertices or edges. Cycle. A cycle is a path that starts and ends at the same vertex. The simple cycle does not contain any repetitive vertices or edges. Connectedness. A graph is said to be connected if the path between the two vertices, if there is a path between the two vertices. A disconnected graph is a graph that does not have any connection. Planarity. A graph is said to be planar if it can be drawn on a plane without any edges crossing each other. Next one is bipartitness. A graph is said to be bipartite if its vertices can be divided into two disjoint sets such that no two vertices in the same set are connected by an edge. Types of the graph in data structures and algorithms. First one is null graph. Second one is trivial graph. Third one is undirected graph. Then directed graph, connected graph, disconnected graph, regular graph, complete graph, cycle graph, cyclic graph, directed acyclic graph, bipartite graph, and weighted graph. So these are all the types of graphs. Representation of the graph data structures that are done with two things, like multiple ways to store the graph, adjacency matrix and adjacency list. So if you like our video, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.